For your dream views and calm reflections, this rare front and rear waterfront property hosts a stunning pool home just for you. Approach your driveway overlooking two gorgeous, sparkling bodies of water. Once inside, you're embraced by nearly 3,000 square feet of this open yet cozy floor plan. The first floor features gorgeous tile floors, a study, powder room, vivid living and dining rooms, modern gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, glass top stove, and coffee bar. From the kitchen, living, or dining rooms, you can experience the breathtaking saltwater pool and water views in the back of the property. Upstairs features a huge bonus room, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and your laundry room with added cabinets and sink. Make your way back downstairs to enjoy your private, soothing outdoor oasis. Be captivated by the massive heated pool and spa combination and the pond and green space. Additional features include retractable screens on the lanai, overhead storage systems in the garage, added exterior electrical outlets, and wireless ring cameras. Enhancing this paradise even further, the prestigious Waterleigh community offers 3 large amenity parks with resort-style pools, 2 clubhouses, putt-putt golf, tennis courts, dog parks, and more. Home is calling.